Hi, welcome to Yoga Flow with Kim. I'm Kim, and today I'm going to teach you how to gradually get into splits. Please subscribe to my channel and we'll get started. So we're going to start with a half split. So from mountain pose, take a deep breath in, reach the hands out and overhead. Exhale, hinge at the hips, forward fold. Now bend your knees, plant your palms, and start by stepping your right leg back to a runner's lunge. Lower the right knee, then sink the hips back, shifting the hips back, straightening the left leg as much as you can, bowing the forehead towards the shin. So this is a half split. Now, one way to stretch the muscles to eventually get into a full split is just lunging forward and shifting the hips back with the breath. So inhale, lunge. Exhale, shift the hips back and bow. Inhale, lunge deeper. Exhale, shift the hips back, maybe bow a little deeper. One more. Inhale, lunge even deeper. Exhale, shift back even deeper. Now, if you feel really tight, maybe stay here. Over time, you'll slowly be able to go deeper and deeper. So if you're ready to try a deeper split, take your fingertips underneath your shoulders, start sliding your left heel forward, and stop once you reach a subtle edge of resistance. Not strain, not pain. So keep sliding the left knee forward, and you're using your fingertips to help you prop up. And then maybe you can get into a full split, letting go of your hands, reaching your hands high. Deep breaths in, long breaths out. Maybe you can even bow your forehead towards your shin. There you go. And remember, we want to try this on both sides. So I'm just going to swoop my left leg back to downward dog. Then I'm going to step my right foot forward and lunge my left knee. And step my right foot forward and lower my left knee. Sink my hips back, straighten the right leg, and bow forehead to right shin. So now we're in half split on the other side. Then practice lunging forward and shifting the hips back a few times. Inhale, deep lunge. Exhale, shift the hips back and bow. Inhale, deep lunge. Exhale, shift back and bow. One more. Inhale, lunge. Exhale, shift back and bow. If you're new to the practice, just hold your half split, bowing the forehead closer to the shin. If you're ready to go deeper today, start sliding the right heel more forward. Fingertips underneath shoulders until you feel a subtle edge of resistance. So not strain, not pain. And maybe eventually you'll get all the way down and you can reach your hands up high or bow the forehead to the shin. Deep breaths. And the way I like to come out is to tuck my back toes, push my hands into the mat, and then make my way to downward dog. Walk my hands back to my feet. Take a deep inhale. Exhale as I slowly curl all the way back up. Feels so good. Thank you so much for sharing your practice with me today. If you have any additional questions about half splits or splits, please feel free to comment below or contact me directly through my website. The light in me honors the light in you. Namaste.